Okay, right. Okay, folks, welcome back. We're looking at simultaneous equations. I call these ones type 3. The reason I call them type 3 is because we're going to have to do two sets of manipulation to them. Type 1 being where you do no manipulation at all. So, let's have a look. Now, as usual, we need to look at the coefficients of x and the coefficients of y. And we need to analyze them. Okay, let's have a look. So, we have that. Let's get back to our pen. Okay, right. Now, in a different color. We have 4x and 7x. Now the 4 can't become a 7 and the 7 can't become a 4 easily. Can't anyway. The 2 and the 3, they can't become each other. So we have to choose one of them and decide that we're going to make them the same or make them the opposite. So, and you could choose x or y. I'm going to choose for this example, for this question, I'm going to select the y to make them both the same. In order for me to make the y coefficient the same, I need to multiply the plus 2 by the 3 and the 3 by the 2. So we multiply each coefficient by the other coefficient. So the 2 gets multiplied by 3 and the 3 gets multiplied by 2. So we need to multiply them. Okay. So 4x times by 3, that will give us 12x. Plus 2y times by 3 will give us plus 6y. And 10 times by 3 will give us 30. That's our new equation 1.1. The bottom equation has to be times by 2. So we have 14x. And we have 3 times by 2. That will give you plus 6y. And 16 times by 2 will give you 32. And we call this equation 2.1. Now, we are now in that privileged position, situation where we have exactly what we're looking for in the beginning of the question. We look at the coefficients of y, and the coefficients of y are equal. That was our intention by multiplying them by the opposite coefficient. So now that they are equal, we can eliminate them by minusing them. Because the rule is if the coefficients are the same, plus 6 and plus 6 are the same, then you eliminate them by minus them. If they were opposite, then you add them. So we have 12x. Now, one thing that you can do, you can take it up as well. So we can do 14x minus 12x. That'll give you 2x. We can do 32 minus 30. So as long as we are consistently in this, so now I'm actually minusing going up. That's no problem at all. As long as you don't go up and down in the same question. So I've gone from 14 up to minus 12 and from 32 up to minus 30, and that's mathematically perfectly acceptable. Now we have 2x equals 2, therefore x will have a value of 1 because 2 times by 1 is 2. Now here comes the next part. We have to do the subbing part. Okay, substitution. So we've got to choose one of the equations. So I can pick, for example, the first one. So we have our 4x add 2y equals 10. That's equation number 1. We're going to grab the x equals 1. Okay, let's go back up here. And we're going to put it into here. Substitute it. So we got 4 times by 1 plus 2y equals 10. 4 times by 1 is 4. Now remember, we are trying to work out the value of y, which I've put in here in a different color. So you can see that's what we're trying to work out. Now, we need to rearrange this equation to make y the subject. So what we could do, we grab the plus 4, take it to the other side, becomes a minus 4. So we have 2y equals 6. Now in order to work out y, we need to do one more step. So grab the time by 2, take that to the other side, opposite time by 2 is divide by 2. So y is equal to 6 divided by 2, y is equal to 3. So we have an answer of x equals 1 and y equals 3. So the difference in this question here is in this part that we done here. Times the top by 3 and the bottom by 2. Why? Because the bottom coefficient is 3 and the top one is 2. So you times the 2 by the 3 and you times the 3 by the 2. That's what we've done here. That's how we make them equals. Let's get rid of those extra lines so we don't confuse anybody. Okay, and that's the end of this example, and hopefully we'll see you in the next question. Thank you very much for joining us.